Simply Piano versus Flowkey versus Skoove. So let's compare between these three and check out which one is better. First, we have Simply Piano. This is the most game-like and beginner-friendly option. It transforms learning into an interactive experience with gamified lessons and flexible song difficulty levels. You can play the same song at varying difficulty levels, making it perfect for gradual progression. The app uses your device's microphone to listen and provide feedback as you play. Next, we have Flowkey. Flowkey has the most comprehensive learning experience with over 1,000 songs in its library. It blends music theory with practical playing, featuring lessons from real piano instructors. The interface is more sophisticated and structured, making it better for those with some piano knowledge. Songs are organized by genre and skill level. Next, we have Skoove. Skoove stands out for its structured lesson format and real teacher support. After its recent revamp, it provides the most organized curriculum with detailed fingering guidance and AI analysis for real-time feedback. It's particularly strong for intermediate players who want serious progressive learning. All three apps offer free trials with premium subscriptions required for full access. Simply Piano and Flowkey have similar pricing structures, while Skoove tends to be slightly more expensive, but has one-on-one lesson features. For beginner-friendly, Simply Piano is most suitable due to its fun game-like approach and flexibility. The gamified elements keep younger students engaged, and the varying difficulty levels prevent frustration. For intermediate players, Flowkey provides the best balance of song variety and structured learning. Its comprehensive approach with real instructor videos makes it real for building proper technique. Or for serious learners, Skoove offers the most professional experience with its structured curriculum and teacher support. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.